Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Ricoray Endrinal, 18 years old, graduate student of Lipa City Public College with the course of Ladderized Education Program for BSCS. I am interested in the position of data encoder, which I saw listed on jobstreet.com. My previous experience has qualified me to fill the opening at your company. I have excellent customer service skills, am knowledgeable in this field, and am able to communicate abstract concepts in a concrete way so your clients will always feel supported and also learn how to apply basic principles to their computers. As you can see from my resume, the internship I had with Gigabytes Computer Shop provided an opportunity for me to gain practical experience with computer maintenance. In addition, I had my second audit chief training at Batelic 2 in Antipolo del Norte, Lipa City for 200 hours, learning firsthand how to effectively deal with customers and their demands. In all of my previous employment positions, I have been required to work unsupervised, and I am competent in the use of power and hand tools. My work history shows that I can perform any task in this area of employment as is requested of me. Since beginning my working career, I have gained many skills in the area of customer service and feel that I would be a valuable asset to your organization. May I stop by your office to talk over this position? You can reach me at 0910-479-4335 to schedule a meeting at a time that works for you. Thank you for considering my cover letter and application. I hope I will be soon part of your staff of computer support specialist. Thank you.